What if the moon suddenly vanished? Imagine the sky without its familiar glow, the night turning darker, stars sparkling in ways we've never seen. From space, Earth continues to rotate, but without the moon's gravitational pull, subtle distortions ripple through the oceans and atmosphere. Tides weaken, and long coastlines reveal the ocean floor in ways unseen for billions of years. Ocean currents begin to falter, and the planet's rotation starts to wobble imperceptibly, creating uneven weather patterns and shifting cloud systems. The first nights without the moon feel unnaturally silent, and city skylines appear darker, while the ground-level view of oceans shows an almost dead calm, subtle yet unsettling, hinting at changes to come. Slowly, the rhythm of life governed by tides begins to unravel, creating a quiet tension that stretches across both land and sea. As days pass, Earth's rotation subtly accelerates, shortening hours, and clouds shift unpredictably, signaling the start of a slow but irreversible transformation. Even the familiar sunrise feels just a little off, moving faster across the horizon, shadows shortening slightly, and a silent, invisible force seems to pull at the very spin of the planet. By now, entire storm systems are destabilized, jet streams wobbling, and supercells forming in unexpected places, leaving the planet's atmosphere in chaotic motion. One hemisphere begins heating dramatically, while the other chills under shifting polar patterns, creating extremes that life has never experienced. Oceans grow stagnant, currents fragment, and tidal pools expose ecosystems struggling to survive, highlighting the fragility of a world without its lunar anchor. From orbit, the axial tilt becomes obvious, Earth's wobble noticeable even to a distant observer, cloud formation stretched and uneven, seasons starting to misalign in ways that will have long-term consequences. Over thousands of years, polar ice shifts, deserts expand, and coastal cities stand abandoned under changing tides, a testament to the silent but relentless transformation of the planet. Eventually, humanity itself disappears from the picture, leaving only the raw, reshaped landscapes to tell the story of a moonless Earth. And finally, from deep space, the Earth drifts alone, its orbit slightly irregular, polar wobble permanent, cloud systems chaotic, oceans reshaped, and the planet now a silent witness to the absence of its longtime companion. As the Earth's rotation subtly accelerates, each day becomes a little shorter, and the familiar rhythm of sunrise and sunset starts to feel off, shadows shrinking faster than before, a quiet yet unmistakable change in the pace of life. Cloud systems stretch and bend under the new spin, atmospheric circulation faltering as jet streams wobble unpredictably, while superstorms form in unexpected regions, their sheer power a testament to the moon's absence. One hemisphere bakes under prolonged heat, deserts expanding, rivers drying, while the opposite hemisphere chills, ice sheets creeping over previously temperate zones, creating extremes that life has never faced. Oceans grow stagnant, currents fragmenting, tidal pools exposed, leaving marine life struggling against slow, silent collapse. From orbit, the axial tilt becomes obvious, Earth wobbling noticeably, cloud formations stretched and chaotic, seasons misaligned in ways that will eventually destabilize entire ecosystems. Over centuries, polar ice shifts, deserts dominate former forests, and coastlines erode under weakened tides, while the absence of lunar stabilization turns familiar landscapes into alien worlds. Cities once bustling now stand abandoned as humanity adapts or disappears, leaving behind structures slowly overtaken by nature, shaped by chaotic wind, drifting sands, and encroaching glacier. From deep space, Earth drifts alone, isolated, its orbit subtly irregular, axial wobble permanent, oceans reshaped, deserts expanded, and storms unrelenting, a planet transformed into a silent, unstable witness to the moon's absence. Time-lapse projections show millions of years in the future, the axial wobble exaggerated, polar regions migrating, cloud systems forming unpredictable supercells, ice sheets advancing and retreating asynchronously, deserts stretching vast and barren, oceans receding in fragmented basins, all illustrating the quiet yet unstoppable reshaping of the world. Eventually, Earth becomes a planet of extremes, climates forever divided,